Oh my god. Yo, check this out. Guys, I literally didn't even hook him in the mouth. I hooked him right in the eyeball. Oh, we got one!
What's up, guys? I'm finally in a video. And we're back with another video. And we're at a lake that Logan fished already this year. And we're just gonna plug away, see if we can't get any crappie. Seems like he caught a lot of crappie last time he came here. We're marking a bunch. I already caught a bluegill, a solid nice eater. He's just messing with his hummingbird. And we got the shackle set up. We just had a storm and it's super slushy. And we got about like 6 inches or so of snow, and school is canceled today, so we decided to come out, fish a lake that's in central Minnesota, and yeah, hopefully we can catch some crappie, maybe some big bluegill.
No trout here. This is where we've been catching most of our fish, I guess. I ain't marking the damn thing inside, so if we do if it keeps going the way we're doing over here, we're more than likely gonna end up moving over here. So Isaac can't seem to stick them, so I'm gonna try and see if I can't. Come on. Oh dude, he's gotta smash me. Seems like a pretty finicky bite today for some reason. I've only gotten 1 crappie and 2 sunfish. So I don't know. Well guys, it is currently 3:30 in the afternoon, and we have 5 fish in there, I think, that we kept, and we have not caught very many, needless to say. It's very finicky. We were actually here in the previous videos, and we hammered them left and right. Couldn't even keep the hooks in the water, could barely get them down to the bottom of the graph, and we were catching them. But this is completely different. Like Isaac said at the beginning of the video, we had a storm roll in overnight, and we got about 6 inches of snow, and I think that had a lot to do with it. So all we can do is keep trying. We'll probably be out here for another, I don't know, well, we'll probably be out here for till 7 o'clock or something, maybe. We'll see once how it goes. Depends on how sick of it we get. But yeah, got anything to say?
Nope, just fishing.
Just fishing. It's better than being at school.
Yeah.
Put it that way. Well, stay tuned. Hopefully we can get a couple more fish. We got guys fishing, like, not even joking, 10 yards from us right now, drilling holes. And yeah, apparently people around here don't care where the hell they fish. They like to fish right on your ass. But yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully we can get a couple more fish in the bucket. So oh, good one.
Oh my goodness, it's just not our
Dude, that's a good crappie. Look at this thing. That's definitely a nicer crappie out of all the whole night. It's a nice crappie right there. Homie's missing them over there. Ah, we're keeping him.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Big one. Homie's got a big one. It's even bigger, he says.
Oh yeah.
Big old slab. My fingers are cold.
Bro. Oh, that one's fat.
It's fatty. It's a fatty. Oh my god. Yo, check this out.
Oh yeah, I'm hooked up.
He's hooked up too.
Nice.
Ooh, that's a
crappie.
nice one.
Oh yeah.
Guys, I literally didn't even hook him in the mouth. I hooked him right in the eyeball. What the heck? Got a nice little eater there too.
Oh, yeah. You'll go right in our garbage bucket.
What?
I wonder if I...
Oh shit, we got one!
Let's go!
We got one!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my.
We it just cranks. It doesn't give him time to think about it. He just
Nice 10-incher. Oh yeah. Yeah, I doubt that's gonna happen. Yeah. Maybe all combined. Oh! Oh! Holy shit! I saw it. Let's go! Let's go!
No!
Oh my god!
No! No! I was gonna grab him. That happened to one of my fish out there. It got caught on, and I was like, oh, I gotta grab him.
Was
I
that
grabbed
one in
him.
the house that set over there?
No, that was
Oh.
when I was out there. It was one of them that's in there. I had to grab him because he was just flapping around on top.
Well, it is almost 5 o'clock. And how many fish we got in there? Maybe 10?
Yeah.
9 maybe? Yeah, somewhere around there. But it was definitely a slow day, ain't gonna lie. Kinda sucked to start off with, that's for sure. But it definitely seems like when we go outside and fish that they seem to be a little bit more aggressive, and we seem to pick them off out there a little more than we do in here. But I don't know. I guess we'll see once. We'll be out here for a little bit longer, but I don't got much battery life in this GoPro yet, so I think we're gonna call it right here for now. And hopefully it wasn't too boring, but we can see if we make something work. But yeah, so with that being said, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.